Bolong India Midcap RMF feeds into Kotak India Midcap Fund, the master fund which was launched in 2010. It has a 14 plus years of track record, and it is one of the largest India equity UCITS fund with a AUM of $3.7 billion. The key investment focus of the fund is its unique characteristics, where the mandate is to invest at least 2/3 of AUM in mid cap companies, and it has a flexibility to invest 1/3 into large cap. It predominantly invests into sectoral leaders and high growth companies with strong balance sheet, low leverage, predictable earnings and management with demonstrated execution capability. For the fund, the mid cap is defined as companies ranked 51st to 350th by market cap. As of June, the weighted average market cap of the fund portfolio was $9.8 billion, and the fund is investing in large Indian corporates which are deriving their growth predominantly from Indian domestic economy. It is a very well diversified portfolio of 65 to 85 high quality companies. The portfolio approach is of buy and hold, which is reflected in low churn with returns mainly driven by compounding of earnings of underlying companies. From a sector exposure perspective, the fund is focused on domestic driven sectors like consumer discretionary, healthcare, domestic financial institutions and so on. It includes leading mid-cap companies in consumer durable, plywood, tires, tiles, QSR and so on. These businesses are underrepresented compared to global standards, but have strong growth potential. From a performance perspective, mid-cap indexes have historically outperformed large caps across 5, 10, 15 and even 20-year horizons. The fund captures the core India growth story, especially the domestic consumption. From a macro perspective, the monetary and fiscal tailwinds are expected to lead to acceleration of domestic growth, which will benefit domestic focused mid-cap companies. India offers a unique investment opportunity with world's largest population, one of the fastest growing economies. It is currently the 5th largest economy and is expected to be the 3rd largest economy by the end of this decade, and it is one of the best performing equity markets. While most global managers focus on large cap, these funds offer unique mid market exposure which represent domestic growth story of Indian economy and has given superior performance across time periods. It is ideal for investors seeking to partner with established businesses and ride India's economic wave.